In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I managed to squeeze over 20k views out of just 4 videos with a whopping 1k subscribers. So what's the secret? TubeMagic is an AI tool that makes creating videos a breeze. It helps you generate ideas, craft instant scripts, optimize for a wider audience, and gain insights into your viewers. And no, this video isn't sponsored by TubeMagic. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Sign up. By the end, you will be able to toss your first video onto YouTube and score some organic views. So let's get into it. Making a YouTube video can feel like a herculean task. You got to brainstorm a topic, whip up a script, craft a catchy title, and come up with a description. But wait, there's more. You still have to film the thing. Or if you're going the faceless route, hunt down the stock footage, piece it together, and do a voiceover. Exhausting, right? Now, imagine if you could do all of that in just minutes and still pump out a video that racks up thousands of views. True to its name, this thing actually works like magic. Like every other tool, you need to sign up for TubeMagic. Once you do, you will access a dashboard with all the AI tools you need, from ideation to scripting and optimizing. We'll dive into the details later in the video. If you haven't heard of TubeMagic, there's a link in the description to help you get started. Unfortunately, the free version is no longer available. However, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied within 30 days, you can get a full refund. But honestly, I doubt you'll need it. Now, let's move on to step 2. Ideation. Just like in traditional content creation, we start with the ideation phase, and you will see options for generating ideas. You can choose between a video ideas generator or a community posts idea generator. Since we're making a YouTube video, we'll go with the video idea generator. You can input any channel name in your niche. Let's use Aperture because we're talking about faceless videos. Hit generate and the tool will instantly spit out a video idea for you. If you don't like it, just click generate again and another idea will pop up. You can keep doing this forever. This thing has endless juice. Now onto step 3, scripting. You've got a buffet of video ideas, so let's cook up a script. Click on the video script generation tool. This tool gives you templates for all kinds of scripts. Complete videos, 60-second shorts, how-to videos, you name it. TubeMagic has you covered. For this tutorial, we will go with general scripts. Then use the slider to select the number of words. If you are clueless about word count and video length, just hover over the arrow and it will tell you how many words you need for a certain duration. For example, it says 800 words for a 5-minute video. Click generate and voila, your script is ready for an instant. But wait, there's more. TubeMagic also has a feature called the script outline. Input your title, click generate and it will spit out a detailed outline with an intro and conclusion. This makes your script easier to understand and improves your delivery. The real magic of TubeMagic is that it saves you time and money. Hiring a cheap scriptwriter costs at least $50 per script. With TubeMagic, you will get the idea generation, script writing, script outlining, and a bunch of other services for a flat monthly fee. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Warp upload. This tool generates a transcript for your video. For the warp upload, you will need the URL of your video, which means the video have to be uploaded first. We'll cover making faceless videos in part 2, but for now, let's assume the video is ready. Upload it as unlisted, then paste the URL onto the warp upload tool in TubeMagic and hit generate. TubeMagic will scan the video and create a transcript of everything said. It also generates all the metadata you need for optimization. By metadata, I mean SEO optimized titles, keyword-rich descriptions, and a set of meta tags. Just copy and paste them into your YouTube video. If you don't need everything at once, you can use the Optimize AI tool to generate video descriptions or titles individually. TubeMagic has more features coming soon, like keyword research and video research. You can even vote on which features you want to see next by clicking on Feature Ideas on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This tool has optimized my videos so well that my first YouTube videos has now over 20k views. Pretty wild, right? But what's the point of all these features without the final product, the video itself? That's why in part 2, I will walk you through making a faceless YouTube video using AI. Till then, thanks for watching and see you in part 2.